Begin this evening with the latest on a travel advisory which may further damage Jamaica's reputation on the international scene.
The United States is telling its citizens to exercise increased caution in Jamaica due to an increase in crime.
The country has even banned U.S. government personnel in Jamaica from traveling outside of Kingston at night. TVJ's Anthony Lugg picks up the story.
Jamaica, known for its white sand, beaches and a popular destination for visitors. But on the flip side, the country's crime stats have been alarming over the years. So alarming that in previous years, the U.S. Embassy have issued several travel warnings to U.S. citizens traveling to Jamaica. The most recent, posted on Wednesday, left Jamaicans asking several questions. But Public Affairs Officer at the U.S. Embassy, Jeremiah Knight, says the advisory is not new.
This is not a new advisory for Jamaica. This is a reformat of the travel advisory that we're doing for all countries throughout the world, and it was issued yesterday for all nations, not just Jamaica. And so this has the exact same information that was being shared before about Jamaica, but now they're putting it into providing levels of advice ranging from 1 to 4. And Jamaica falls into the level 2, along with nations like France, the Dominican Republic, Italy, the Bahamas, the UK.
Here's how the scale works. 1,
it represents exercise normal precautions. 2 represents exercise increased cautions. 3 is reconsider traveling to the nation. And 4 is do not travel to the nation.
The advisory cites that increased criminal activities like home invasions, armed robberies, and homicides are common in sections of Kingston, Montego Bay, and Spanish Town. For Kingston, it says U.S. government personnel are prohibited from traveling to areas like downtown Kingston, Mountain View, Trenchtown, among other areas. For Montego Bay, areas like Flankers, Canterbury, Norwood, and Rose Heights are listed. The advisory also issued notes for safety, citing that nightclubs and other entertainment centers are not compliant with U.S. regulations. And sexual assaults can occur with alarming frequency, including at all-inclusive hotels. So question, was this always the narrative in respect to Jamaica?
Yes, it was. And the thing is that what happened now is that information was brought up, like I said, to the top, so that people that are traveling to the country could see that information and make an informed decision about whether they wanted to travel. The numbers and the likes about that situation, I think I will refer you to the government of Jamaica.
The advisory further states that if persons decide to travel to Jamaica, that individual should avoid walking or driving at night, be aware of their surroundings, and keep a low profile. And do not physically resist any robbery attempt. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.